Okay, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back again with me in this channel Bangki. And this section, I will create a playlist for application of food store. Okay. Uh, the disclaimer of this session, this playlist of my project. That is, I will create this video tutorial, but do not type code by code because we look for efficiency of time, so that I will uh, show you how project I was made part by part. Okay, this part I will show you the first one, how we can create project with Laravel 11, and then we install the Laragon, and then we gonna use payment gateway, namely its midtrans, and we took API code by Raja Ongkir. Okay, of this project, I will use the environment of local project is Largon. Okay, Largon you have to download from official website largon.org, and then you click download Largon. Just click, and then you have to download to 222 MB. And then after that, you have to install the Node.js because this project will use JavaScript. We will use JavaScript, and then after you install it, you can check your npm inv on your command prompt. Okay, and then like this, you can see after you install the npm inv, the version of the Node.js it is displayed. Okay, after that, we're gonna setting up our project on our Visual Studio Code. Okay, the creating project on the Laravel 11. Uh, if we read on the official documentation, the Laravel project, how we create that is just like type Laravel new. But in this video, in my version, we type the compressor create project for this Laravel 11 and the name of your project. My project is namely Peta Rasa. After that, we are setting up the environment. Okay, the environment we have to uncomment this and change to MySQL and DB on your name of your project. Okay, after that, uh, we have to PHP artisan storage link. Yes, PHP artisan storage link. Because we use this feature for uploading our media to public folder. And after that, we have to create the compulsory require for midtrans exactly, and then we have to registration of midtrans account. Okay, with your Google account or creating a new email, you can like just like that, and then you move into the setting and access keys. Access keys include client and server key. Client and server key you took, and then you put into your environment on your project, and the midtrans client key and midtrans server key, and then you have to copy paste just like that, and you create your project midtrans on your config on the folder on the config folder just like that. PHP return, and the return is client key, server key, is production, is sanitized, and is 3ds. And then after that, you have to create Raja Ongkir. Raja Ongkir, you have to log on your environment and Raja Ongkir API key, and you have to log on my API just like that. Okay, and then we move into the creating models and the field of table. The first table you have to create is categories. The categories or the table of categories is image, name, and slug. All of these attribute, all of this field, all of this table is type data of string. And then you move into the category. Exactly, we have to use this image name slug to the field. Okay, and then the city. After category is card. Okay, the card is customer ID and product ID. The product ID we took from the product, the models of product. Okay, and then the city. The city we create this protected variable to include the name and province ID. Province ID we took from province model. Okay, and the customer. Customer include image, name, email, and password. And then the product include image, name, email, password too, same like before. The province, this name, and the rating. We You can put the customer ID. Customer ID we took from this customer ID from customer models, and product ID from product models, and transaction detail ID from transaction models, and field, and rating and review. And then the shipping courier, shipping service, shipping cost, and transaction ID. Okay, and the slider is include image and link. Transaction is include customer ID we took from customer field, and shipping ID we took from shipping field, and the province ID, city ID, and invoice week, address, total, status, and snap token. You can pause of this video to type code by code. Okay, I are done. I cannot to type by type code by code because we can efficiency time. Okay, and transaction detail is equal to transaction ID, product ID, quantity, and price. And the last one is user is default of our migration of our project. Okay, move into the migrations. The migration. The sliders is migration of sliders. It's just image and link. And then the ratings. We use the type data of transaction detail ID use unsigned big integer. It's like same just like customer and product ID. And then we use integer for rating and text for review. And this is a table foreign from ID of their field. Okay, this is include transaction, customer, and product. And then the shippings. The shippings is include with transaction ID. We took from transaction field, and then the string we took from shipping, and then shipping service we can put the type data of string too, and then the shipping cost we put the shipping cost like into the type data this of this field, the type data of decimal. Okay, after that we move into the transaction details. Okay, transaction details like this. Okay, you use the unsigned big integer same like product and transaction. It's took it's both took from their field, okay, and quantity and price. We use the type data of integer and this timestamps, and then we took the foreign table from transaction and product, and each order we took from ID. And then the transaction tables field, I mean customer, province, and city. It's each other. It's all of these the three the type data of unsigned big integer. Okay, the invoice wake address total. We create an enum because we have three status on this project: pending, success, expired, and failed. And the default of this project is pending. Okay, don't forget to put this on these migrations. And I'm talking to. And then after that, we move into the migration of cities, just like this, name and province, and we took foreign table from province ID. Okay, the cities it's belongs to province. Okay, the province just like this, string name, and then the cards. Okay, the cards we use the customer and product ID too, and the quantity, the type data of quantity is integer. Okay, we took the foreign field before, like before. This migration of table cards is customer and product ID. We took ID too. Okay, like this, and then move into customers. Customers, it's the field of customers just like image, name, email, and password. Okay, and then the products image title, slug, and description of the type data of description is text, and the type data of price and weight is we put into their integer. And the last one, but the first one we have to create is categories. Okay, the categories is include image, name, and slug. Okay, in the next video we're gonna talk about eloquent and some and running the migration. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.